That reminds me, for the upcoming collab showcase, we had a rehearsal too, a while ago, and I was the first one to change into my outfit. Yes, we all changed one after another, which is an interesting culture difference I wanted to mention anyway. Because so far I've noticed every time I've been there with Japanese members, it's not even a big changing room. It's a pretty tiny changing room, but they all get in there together and change at the same time, and I always waited until they're all done. But they all get in together, they don't mind, they mingle in there. But Myth, so far, I wasn't the only one. On that day, it was interesting because I was I was the first one to say so I'm gonna change first or last if that's okay, or wherever, because I'm shy. And everybody was also yeah, me too. I would prefer to change alone and all that. Yeah, they all. It's such a big difference. Myth versus all the Japan members. Japan members are whatever. They go in there, they throw off their clothes, they put the others on. They don't give a shit. yeah, I think it's the whole onsen culture and all that. 一つね、面白い違い気づいたのが、日本人のメンバーとスタジオ行くと、着替える時ってみんな結構ちっちゃい着替える部屋なのに、みんな一緒に入って気にせずに一緒に着替えるんだよね。でもこの前リハーサルでミフのメンバーと一緒に行ったら、みんなシャイでみんな恥ずかしくて、私別々で着替えたいですってみんな言ってた。私だけじゃなかった。うん。Yeah, I mean, if I had the choice, I think they're also like that. We would prefer to change on our own, especially because those clothes are a bit difficult to put on. I'm not gonna go into details. I'll just say it's difficult. It's difficult. So anyway.